Have you ever come across this type of grass? Bidens pilosa, Spanish neat, when dried. This grass can sell for $5 per pound online. Surprising, isn't it? Bidens pilosa grows very quickly in farmland, often interfering with crop growth. So, villagers find it quite annoying. Its seeds are covered in sharp hooks. When you walk along country paths, they easily stick to your clothes and shoelaces if you're not careful. Here's how people in our village handle the flowers of Bidens pilosa. We mainly pick its white flowers. Soak them in salt water for about 10 minutes to remove impurities. The flowers are very delicate and rot easily, so they must be washed gently, since Bidens pilosa blooms year-round. It is favored by beekeepers. It serves as a primary nectar source for rural beekeepers. Even in winter, it continues to bloom in southern regions. Experienced villagers dry its flowers and mix them into chicken feed. It is an excellent livestock forage.